Hello everyone, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video we'll be making this yummy vegetable fried rice.
So this is going to be our ingredients for our vegetables fried rice. As you can see, it's yellow rice, okay, and it's my leftover yellow rice. You don't have to throw your leftover away, you can make something out of it, okay. So I've got my yellow rice, my seasoning, paprika or any kind of pepper. I've got my 2 eggs, vegetables, there's mixed vegetables. I've got carrot in it, corn in it, and beans. Yep. So guys, this is really quick and simple. Let's dive into it, okay? For our vegetable fried rice is ready, guys. Yes, as you can see, I didn't use any soya sauce, and I mean, it's all up to you. You can use anything, and I use pepper. If you don't like pepper, you can omit the pepper, okay? So everything has to be according to your taste, guys. Okay. As at this moment, I think you are invited. Okay, you are invited. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Bye.